Hello everyone, this is Yashina. I'm a student at AttainU. I belong to Woodpecker batch, and my project topic is Best Wishes, and my partner is Bobby. Best Wishes is all about finding the right venue for your wedding day. So you have wedding, you have to find the right venue, hotels, ground, anything where you have to have place where you get married. So for that particular place, you have to just roam around the whole city to find that particular place, the best place you want. And it's sometimes very tiring, and sometimes you find the place, but it's not the right place. And sometimes you find the place, and later on you know that this is not the best place. The price is huge here, and the place in another part of the city is less, and it's more beautiful and more good for a day. So for tackling all that problem, I have created this. We have created this application, web application, web API. Later on, we will convert this into a full-fledged web application. Then whole idea was all about finding the right venue for that day, and this this is the problem we where I belong is mostly I have seen that in north western part Uttar Pradesh there's no such thing or no project like that. So it's just like you find out something on Zomato and you order it and it's on your doorstep, something like that. So this is all about the project idea and the technologies of I've used this Node.js for building server and accessing the database. ExpressJS on top of Node for writing dashboard at server side. Mongoose and Sequelize is a database driver connection between Node and a database. Multer for uploading venue images. MongoDB Atlas and SQL to store data on cloud. NodeMailer for sending the mail. Heroku for deployment of app. Razorfire for payment gateway. Testing on Jest. So I will like to perform a quick demonstration how this project is all about and how is the functionality going on. This is the dashboard thing. When you, if you can imagine, if you have seen a Flipkart app, when you first enter, there's a dashboard where you can see a product, his category, price, all his details, something like that. We have booking that shows that if a booking is done or not, ID, that particular venue has that particular ID, the venue name, the location, hotel, what is category, hotel ground, something like capacity, charges, what it's costing, reviews, like just tagline it's the best or not, and images related to that particular venue, and the provider name, of course. So I will like to quickly demonstrate. Like first, I will register a particular user. I will enter this site. And the register is successful, but you see status is inactive because whenever you register someone on a web web application, you have to first activate your account first. You get a mail on your email ID that you have to activate, then only you can log in. So we will just click on this, and then I just you get a mail on your email ID as well, and your this account is activated. So now that particular person has registered successfully and his account is activated. Now I can just log in that particular user as well. So I will log in it. If I just send the same thing, yeah, because I suppose it was not attended this, and if I just want to apply incorrect credential because I have not entered anything, just like in the web page we have seen. So I will write here whatever the email ID of that particular user is, I will copy something from here, and the password, which will be 123, and I have successfully logged in. I will register a provider as well. So this is the particular you can see a provider, Shivan Srivastava, and his email ID something, and I will just run this again, and it's successfully registered to our website. Then I will activate his account as well, and his message shown account is activated. Now I will make that particular provider to log in as well. So this is the login thing, and when I will send this, I get a particular token. I need this particular token because to add a venue in the website, when you have that front page, you will log in the provider, then you get a page of adding venue button, something like a panel, something where you click on add venues and you get the detail. But here we are creating an API. So in this environment or in the Postman, we have to take this authentication token. We have to put here this auth token to tell the particular that this particular provider want to add his venue. So we will this here and we will call this hotel Taj, and I will give a capacity of 1 lakh, and category is hotel, review is Western World, and location is Allahabad, and charges will be also 3 lakh, something like that. And when I will send this, it takes some time on Heroku server also, because and this particular venue has been added successfully in this. So now I will place an order using this user, and for that I will need another route that will be a post route, and that will be called as uh, that will be order, and in that I will provide that particular auth token of that user, because now we will need the user token, because this particular user will place the order for this particular venue. So I will need this, and I will need that particular uh, venue ID, because I need that particular ID of that venue so that I can place an order something. So here's the venue ID. I will copy this and I will go here and write this, and I will send this. So you can see the status active. This admin is for order created successfully. Now to confirm this order, I have to place the log in that particular uh, user and make that payment successful. So that we will use that Razorpay thing, and it's based on the front end. And because Razorpay couldn't run on that Postman thing, so we have to create a first one single page web application for that. One page web app, one page web application, or you can say one page HTML page, so we can place that successfully, place that order. So I've also done this, and this is the URL of that. I'll click this enter. It takes some time to load it. Now I will log in that particular user. His name is just wait, I can confirm. NithanSingh21@gmail.com. Okay. Password was 123. So I will log in. And you can see location Hotel Taj, the particular hotel. I will like to click on this, proceed to checkout. We will proceed here. Sometimes it's given error because the data is transferred from this page to that server side, and it sometimes gives that particular error. But here it is. We will write any. It's just one. And I will proceed to payment. I will use my bank. Payment complete. And you can see that successfully we have placed the order and checkout was successful. So we log out at this, and if we go again and if we change this particular to get route to see that if it's confirm or not, and if we send it again, yeah, you can see status complete, ID this. So we have successfully placed the order, and we completed that this particular user has placed this particular venue, and he has paid the amount, and he has done this. This is all about the project demonstration I have placed here, shown here, like creating a user, creating a provider, then particular provider is creating a venue, and then particular user can place the order, and it can place the charges also by this. And there are some functionality more, and I will like to demonstrate it. But for the demonstration purpose, I have shown that this is the thing we have done. This is the things mostly we have to perform on it. So this is all. Thank you for watching my project demonstration. This is Best Wishes.